everyone, and welcome to this month's hashtag Tuesday Tips. So this month we are speaking about overcoming inflation, and we're here with your 5 top tips today for how you as a business or a business owner can overcome the challenges that inflation presents. So tip number 1, monitor your expenses. So this is really important, and it's important to know where you are spending your money. So this can be on employee costs or subscription services you're using. So it's important to know what those are and make sure to cancel any services you no longer use. Tip number 2, find a cheaper alternative. The internet is a wonderful place, and it's quite important to note that there are a number of different businesses that could be offering the same service or similar services to what you are currently using. So it's important to assess the software or services you're using and find if you can get the same thing for a cheaper price with a different company. So tip number 3, accounting for changes in exchange rates in your budgeting. So you might find that you're using some online services or subscription services that you have to pay for in dollars or pounds. So make sure that you are monitoring your exchange rates to take this into account when you're doing your budgeting. Make sure you know what your actual cost is in rands so that you can account for it going forward, especially because the rand dollar exchange rate or rand pound exchange rate is constantly fluctuating, and this can have a larger impact on your budget if you don't monitor it correctly. Tip number 4, think of increasing your prices. So we know this may not be an ideal solution, but it's important to adjust your prices with the inflation rate in order to ensure that you are going to meet your budget. So small price changes over a long period of time is better than one massive increase all at once. So have a look at your pricing. Are you charging enough? Are you earning enough money to meet your expenses? So tip number 5, our Finance for Beginners workbook. We made this to help businesses such as yourself. Financing a business can be tricky if you don't know how to budget correctly. So including in this workbook are 2 worksheets that will help you learn how to budget and unpack your income statement in order to have a profitable business. So you can purchase your copy via our Etsy store. We hope these tips were helpful and that they help you and your business overcome inflation and succeed in the season you're in. So we believe in you. You've got this. And so remember, if you ever need more help in unpacking your finances or your financial position, we offer financial consulting services. So contact us and book your free 30-minute consultation today. Bye.